Hello, Unity Bay Area, Houston, and others that are out there. I am going to be speaking this week about wheels. How many of you guys remember your first bike? I don't really remember my first bike. I think I got it in Germany. But we're going to be talking about the wheel. And the wheel has been used as a metaphor for all sorts of things, such as God and the universe and our interaction to it. And this week we're going to be talking about relationships and the wheel. We're also going to be talking about those situations that you might be with another person and you're on different sides of the fence. And how can you relate to that person? How can you not have your blood boil? How can you get into that place of oneness? And so I'm going to possibly give you some ways that may allow that you can see the divine in them, even as they're talking about things that you disagree with. So come out and listen to our talk Sunday morning. And if you don't catch it, then you can always catch it at a later time. I look forward to seeing you. Many blessings. Namaste.